Hello beautiful one, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, tea natural remedies. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to use orange peel to reduce belly fat, arm fat, side fat, and just keep you in shape. Make sure you watch to the end of the video. At the end of this video I'm gonna share with you guys how to drink it for better results.
Guys, look at what we have here. Orange peel. So that's what we're going to use for this. Remember I told you guys that if you should keep on watching, I'm going to share with you guys how to use this orange peel to lose weight. So that is what we are. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Sit back and watch, okay? Let's just get into it. Once again. So I'll start by cutting it. So the next I'm going to use is my lime. So I'll add everything to the pan. If you don't have lime, you can go ahead and use your lemon. So the next I'm gonna add is my cinnamon. I'm gonna add my cinnamon. Just one stick. So 1.5 liters of water. Then this optional, if you want you can add, if you don't want you can skip it. So right now I'm going to add my green tea. I'm going to boil it right now and I'll allow it to boil for 15 minutes. This after 15 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to just cool down for 5 minutes. As you can see, this after 5 minutes. I'll add it straight to the cup. It's still hot. You will drink it while it's hot, okay? This is gonna be your tea. So if you want to reduce weight and keep in shape, this is exactly what you need. Just drink this first thing in the morning and last thing in the night. We want the magic drink and not go wrong with. Just want to just reduce that stubborn belly fat and that arm fat, side fat. This is exactly what you need. So here comes the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.